What's up, YouTube? Today I have something with me, a Rubik cube. So what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna unsolve this Rubik cube. Look, I've never done it before all by myself. Uh, I done it by while watching tutorials, but this time no tutorials. It's just me. So let's go. Don't judge me because this is my first time, and this will take a while. Okay, so let's go. Yellow side first. I have to make that like daisy flower. uh no. Okay, okay, and all right, first step is done. Okay, white white cross. Okay, now other thing. Okay, white side is done, and also this part, this little T or whatever, this one is done. Okay, now the second row. Okay, blue, red, green, red, orange, green is here. Okay, the second row is also done. Nice. And also the yellow cross done. Now green, not this, no, green, white. Okay, okay. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. One set here. Okay, right side up. Now side. 1, 2, 1. Yellow side is also done. Now I done it. I've done it. Let's go. Subscribe.